Well, I just wanted to make everyone aware of my progress through LVI with my orthotic that was created for me here. Basically, 5 years ago, I woke up in the middle of the night, unable to move and hardly able to breathe. And I was very alarmed, very scared. My husband had to take me into the emergency room, and through a series of MRIs, we found out that I have herniated and bulging discs in my neck. And at that point, I had 2 affected discs that were pushing on the spinal column and creating numbness in my arms and my legs, tingling, fire sensations, and really decreased my mobility. And I'm a fairly active person, so it really affected my lifestyle. And through different series of seeing a general practitioner all the way through to a surgeon, try to rectify issues with physical therapy and different exercises, and just basically really reducing my physical activities. And while it helped here and there, when I would have a flare-up in that area, I would basically have to stop any activities for at least 2 weeks before the bulge and the herniation would calm down enough. I would get terrible migraines, jaw clenching, a lot of pain, muscle spasms, all the way through down to my lower back. Through all of this, I had once seen Bill Dickerson, and he had taken a look at my jaw, and he said, you know, I think you have an issue with your jaw. It may be TMJ, he said, but I think we could really rectify this. Well, time had gone by, I had felt better, and so I didn't come in and see anyone here at LVI, and wound up going and seeing a surgeon for a second opinion. And he said that at that point he could do surgery on my neck. However, he wasn't entirely sure about the degree of betterment. He thought maybe 60% chance of getting rid of my pain. So he didn't want to do the surgery, so he sent me to pain management. And when I went to pain management for about a year, I had a series of different shots in my neck, which would provide some relief. And it actually lasted about a year, but I had to go for the 4 consecutive shots, one after the other, before the 4th one actually took and gave me some relief. And most recently, I had come in and I had seen another doctor at LVI, and he said, you know, I really think that if we do the orthotic, the tensing, the treatment, that we can get your spine back in order. I have seen patients where they've actually gone and done this. Coincidentally, I had an appointment scheduled with my dentist for cleaning the following week. So when I went in and I saw Dr. Weberson, I had mentioned to him that I had come in and I had a consultation here at LVI, and he said, you know, he said, I'm going through a different program over at LVI exactly for this. He said, I would love if you would allow me to be your doctor and to create the orthotic, and we'll do the treatments together, and I'll kind of create a case file and we'll track your progress. And so we did. Back in April, we created the orthotic. It's now August. And to date, I have had 0 problems with my neck, 0 flare-ups, which is incredible. And not only that, I have been running, I have been swimming, I have been ATV riding, you know, just the whole gamut of physical activities, testing it, and I can happily say that my life has changed. I'm a new person. I'm the person that I was and that I want to be. I'm active with my family, my husband, my kids, and I have a whole new attitude. So I'm just very appreciative of the whole process, and highly recommend it to anybody who may be experiencing any type of neck problems. Oh, I think it's wonderful. I think more people should know about it. I think surgeons, I've seen neurologists also, I didn't mention previously, but I think everyone should really investigate it and see what LVI can do for their patients. I think that there's so many options here that can better people, rather than having them go through surgeries or even shots, pain management. And it's so natural and non-invasive, and it was just amazing. It's really almost a miracle, truthfully.